where once gigantic bomber aircraft were the pride of the fleet, today a far smaller alternative is beginning to gain serious interest. Controlled from a safe distance, unmanned aerial vehicles are attracting a good deal of attention. Small, comparatively cheap to produce and expendable, the UAV may hold the answer for air action in low-intensity or largely urban conflicts. The military application of UAVs leaps a giant step forward when they are armed. The UAV then becomes known as the UCAV, or Unmanned Combat Air Vehicle. These UCAVs can even be armed with highly sophisticated guided missiles.
The other key difference that perhaps is emerging is the weaponisation of the Predator system itself. This again, I believe, is part of the evolutionary trend, and what we're seeing is that these aircraft, which were designed initially for reconnaissance and surveillance gathering missions, are now being used as weapons platforms.
The moment you arm a UAV and it becomes a UCAV, an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, then I think you do have a threat to aircraft in the medium term of the 21st century. Because what you then have is a low value, high payoff device that will be attractive to both politicians and to generals, because it can create an effect on the battlefield, it can create a decisive effect with no human life being risked on the coalition side at all. You're simply risking a fairly cheap piece of equipment that goes off, bombs a target, and maybe or maybe not comes back.